Knox Jolie-Pitt makes red carpet return with mom Angelina Jolie after 3 years. Knox Jolie-Pitt, the son of Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, made a rare public appearance on November 17th, walking the red carpet alongside his famous mother at the 15th Governor's Awards in Los Angeles. This marks the 16-year-old's first Hollywood event in 3 years, following his debut at the Eternals premiere in 2021. The 49-year-old actress, known for her role in Maleficent, dazzled in a vintage-inspired gold halter-neck gown adorned with delicate cream lace, sourced from luxury boutique The Kit Vintage. Knox complemented her elegance with a timeless black tuxedo and bow tie, a look reminiscent of his father Brad Pitt's iconic red carpet style. Knox is one of 6 children Jolie shares with her ex-husband Brad Pitt. The former power couple, who tied the knot in 2014, share a family of 3 biological children, Shiloh, Knox, and Vivienne, and 3 adopted children, Maddox, Zahara, and Pax. The Governor's Awards, a celebration of cinematic excellence and glamour, served as the perfect backdrop for the mother-son duo's stylish outing, bringing Knox back into the spotlight after years of staying out of public view.